Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Ram 1500. First, gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely off and not touching. Position the assisting vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let them touch. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and effective jump. Now, let's connect the cables. Attach the red positive cable to the positive terminal of your Ram's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ram's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for a few minutes to transfer some charge to the dead battery. After waiting, attempt to start your Ram 1500. Once your truck starts, keep both vehicles running for about 5 minutes. Then, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. If your Ram still won't start, double-check all cable connections. Sometimes a loose clamp is the culprit. If the battery is old, it might be time for a replacement, which typically costs between $125 and $250. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going. Regular battery checks can prevent future jumpstart situations and ensure your truck is always ready.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.